Hello guys. So in this video I'm gonna teach you how to file your LLC in Texas by yourself. It's very easy and I'm gonna explain it and I'm gonna file a real live LLC in front of you. So let's start. So first of all you have to head over to Texas Secretary of State website. I will paste the link in the comments. You can visit from there. Then you have to visit the business services and SOSDirect. And then I will click on SOSDirect, and here I will apply for a new SOSDirect account. I will click here and then now I will write my business name and click continue. Here I will paste my address. I added my email address, I added my phone number, I added my US address, and then I will click on continue. So now here I have to add my card number. So I will add my card number and I will click on continue. And here you will click on I accept. And now our application for SOSDirect account is submitted, and within next 5 to 10 minutes we will receive our ID. So let's wait for the ID. So as you can see, I have received my SOS user ID. I will just copy it and I will go ahead and I will log. So here I will log into SOSDirect, and then I will add my login details and I will be directed to the portal. As you can see, I'm here. I am logged into my SOSDirect account. Now I will click on business organization. Then I will click on the domestic limited liability company here. You have to follow the web filings area. Click on domestic limited liability company, and then you will click on file document. Here you will select certificate of formation and click continue. Here you will have to add your company, the name of your desired name for your LLC. You can even add a name availability search, but I've already done this, so I will just go ahead and click on continue. Now here it will ask for your initial mailing address for your LLC and click continue. Now it will ask you for registered agents. Now what is registered agent? I will not go into the details. Just head over to Google and search for Texas registered agent. You can choose anyone. You can choose expensive or cheaper one, and just buy any. It will cost you around $50 to $100. Just choose anyone you like. Now add the details of your registered agents and then click on continue. So in this section, it will ask you for the members or managers of your LLC. So in my case, I have two members of or two managers of my LLC. So I will click on add manager and I will click details of both of my members. Here you can see I have added both of my members. There are two members in this LLC, so I have added both and I will click on continue. Now there is nothing to add here, just leave it blank and go ahead and click on continue for the next step. Now they will ask for organizer of your LLC. You can choose any one of your member of your LLC as an organizer. So I will choose one of my member as my organizer. I will add details and click on continue. This part is very simple. Just write the name of your organizer and just click on continue. This is the final confirmation page. You will cross check all of your information here, and then on the top left corner you will click on uh, submit filing. That was all. Now your LLC is filed. Within next 3 to 4 days you will receive your confirmation document via email address. Keep this document safe with you. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something new. Thank you.